on our Christmas goodies special. I'm Megha Joshi and Meg Pop for you, and I know you know this by now. Today we are going to use some maida, some caster sugar, lots and lots of butter. We are going to make the shortbread cookies. But before I get started, please don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates of my recipes. You know the ritual. Please take a screenshot of the list of ingredients so that you could refer to it later on. So first we're going to get our mixing bowl. Now we're going to add the butter into our mixing bowl. Okay, so here goes in our butter. And now we're going to beat the butter and beat the butter till it's white. So here goes. Okay, so our butter is nicely beat. We are going to now add the powdered sugar. So here goes in our powdered sugar. Okay, and again we're going to give it a nice mix. We're going to add the vanilla essence. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt. We're going to add the baking powder, of course. And we're going to give it a mix once again. Okay, now we're going to add the maida. Okay, slowly but surely we have to, a little at a time. I'm going to mix it nicely. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit more of my maida to the mix. That's it. And I'm going to mix it again once. So, we're done with our hand mixing. So, to have cookies that are homemade, it's priceless. I'm just going to add the roasted chopped almonds to our mix. And here goes in. For those who like little flavors, you can even try almond essence. It gives a great flavor to the cookies. Right, so our dough is ready. Now before I roll it, I'm just going to quickly put the oven on preheat to 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take some butter paper and we're going to roll our dough nicely, evenly on it. There we go. Here we go. I'm just going to sprinkle some dry maida. The rolling pin. And here goes, lightly and steadily. And we are going to cut our cookies. So first we'll take the little Christmas tree. Okay, now we're just going to lift this up, and here's our little Christmas tree. Now we're going to put this on our baking tray. I'm just going to get our baking tray here, place it in front, and here goes our first little Christmas tree. So let's get a Santa sock. Then we're going to get the little angel, and lastly we are going to get the candy. Alright, so here's the candy. So here's our cookies set. I'm just going to quickly give it a poke so that it bakes properly, just very few. There we go. Now our cookies are ready to go in the oven. So I'm going to put them in the oven for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So our cookies are ready. I'm just going to take it out of the oven. Lovely. Now we're just going to quickly plate it. I'm going to place each one on the little tray. We're going to sift some powdered sugar on our cookies. Okay, so the snow has fallen on my cookies. If you guys have enjoyed my recipe today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. But I have to do what I always do, and that is to taste what I've made. I'm going to give it a shot, and I think you should too, because I promise you it is yummy. Here goes.